Well, boys, it finally came. Dimond Eye exhaust system. Prepare for the unboxing. Oh, God dang it. Damn, it's heavy. Oh, Jesus. We need some help here. How'd this guy get in here? Quarantine's gone to me, boys. Now, Dimond Eye performance. First off, welcome back to Bigger, Badder Trucks from a long break. The reason my truck has been away getting body work done on it. I want to help you choose the best parts possible for your vehicle. So we're going to do an unboxing review. We're going to go over the exhaust, see what comes with it, how much it was, where I got it, where you should buy, what are the options. Then I'm going to tell you what I bought afterwards to make this install go even better. So let's pop this boy open. First of all, I bought this from Summit Racing. It was, oh, well, hello there. It was the least expensive way to do it, and they do offer free shipping. I have a 97 Ford F250 7.3 liter diesel, as I'm sure you boys know. You will probably have a different truck, but this review goes for everybody. You just have to make sure you pick your make and model. Let's start off with what I got. This is a monster exhaust. I got the stainless steel. I think this is, I'm not sure what part this is. We'll lay it all out. The stainless steel 5-inch exhaust, and my God, is it massive. In New Jersey, my truck doesn't need to be inspected, so I got the off-road test pipe, which is pretty sweet. I think that's not the off-road test pipe. The off-road test pipe, and it takes the place of your catalytic converter. I do not condone doing that, only for off-road use, guys, because it's illegal to pollute the environment. I don't want to get diesel brothered and to get $300,000 in fines, but that's a separate story. I think this is what the muffler's supposed to be. Some curves here, fun. And the accoutrement of exactly why I actually got this is the 3-inch downpipe that is so lovely to install, but should allow my truck to breathe just a little bit better. Wow, and it's gonna be fun getting all these stickers off. Get your goo gone. Look at that. Wow. Like pack this with, oh, it's cardboard. I thought it was palm fronds. You can buy these for your different trucks. I have a manual, so the transmission is different. This is everything pipe-wise that comes in that box. And I'll show you what that little guy over there is gonna be. I found the directions. To start with these, it kind of just tells you what's supposed to be in there, so you can check all your part numbers, which are stickered on the actual pipes. Wow, this packaging is great. I'm glad nothing fell out. Hopefully it didn't fall out. So to start, these are the exhaust hangers, as well as the U-clamps, that's a hanger, that allow you to install your exhaust on your truck. It's gonna differ between everybody. What are those little dudes? Cool, look at that pile. I'm gonna get everything straightened up and organized how it's supposed to be. That's a long exhaust. I got a turbo back exhaust. I think it was $400 and some after everything came out. Stainless steel. You can get aluminized. If you live in the Northeast, get stainless steel. I picked Dimond Eye because it was the cheapest one that would fit my truck in stainless steel with no catalytic converter and no muffler. To be honest, you can get a 4-inch and save some money. I didn't. This is not a promotion for Dimond Eye. I haven't installed it yet, but it seems like they have a pretty good reputation. But what you really want, and what's going to make the difference, is this 3-inch 2-piece downpipe, which will improve flow through of your exhaust right out the back, which should increase your horsepower, not by much, but some. And they also give these lovely U-bolts, which I do not like. I'll explain to you why later. And these exhaust clamps. And this is an extension. I have an extended cab. When you order it, you'll put in your transmission type, you know, whatever, if it's extended, crew cab, standard. I just think this is the same kit, so you can extend it and you'll be fine. Overall, it's looking pretty nice. It's gonna be pretty loud too. I'm excited. Let's talk about the 3 main parts that are gonna differ. The rest is just pipe. For one, you definitely want this 3-inch exhaust coming off the turbo. That's where it attaches to the turbo, and I'm gonna have to jam it down in my engine bay somehow. You'll get more flow through. Definitely a good thing to have, especially before you make any other modifications, because with the Cobra neck style exhaust, that's on there right now, it's pretty horrible. Now, your second choice. This is not a catalytic converter. This is an off-road test pipe. You should get a catalytic converter. I'm not telling you not to, but a lot of states don't have emissions inspections. So you can take advantage of that, but only for off-road use only. Extension pipe. The last thing is a muffler. You don't want to be an a-hole. If you live in a quiet community, you don't want to be loud, you don't want that drone, then get a muffler. I don't know how much difference it's gonna make, but you can do it. The last thing is an exhaust tip. I think this is big enough without an exhaust tip, so I didn't get one. You can do whatever you want. This is what they expect you to clamp on to hold this piece to this piece. Just this. I don't like leaks. I don't like smoke coming out. I don't want black exhaust coming out where it's not supposed to. It's supposed to come out there. And that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give you guys a couple things that I think you should order with this kit to make it perfect. Now, before I continue here, if you like this video, and I promise you, and this time it's for real, that there will be a lot more videos coming up about different things I'm putting on my truck, different parts and accessories and body parts and adventures and all that stuff to help you guys be more successful in picking out the right thing. Let me make the mistakes. Subscribe, hit that like button, I don't know, notification bell, all that fun stuff. And let's begin on what I think you should get with the Dimond Eye kit that you have to purchase separately. First things first, you can reuse your exhaust clamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 6 is what you're gonna need. Why bought one extra, brand new? Just because a lot of time they have dry rot, and it's just a good thing to have. You don't want to be breaking these things and getting mad at yourself when you're trying to install this exhaust. A little overkill here, but I'm going to put this muffler and tailpipe sealer on every single joint that I put a clamp on. All right, this will make sure it can be removed if it needs to be removed, but at the same time sealing it right up. Some people like to weld them, but then you got a welded tailpipe. Not necessarily the smartest thing. Now we're gonna move on to what I think should have came with the kit. And these are torque tight clamps. As you can see here, this is a little bit of a lap joint. It's for 5 inches. I got one for my 3-incher. And this will be able to fit over here and actually be torqued down tight. What do you think looks better? This or that? This or that? I think the answer is pretty clear. All in all, what's this gonna run you? I'd say probably another $80 or so. So you're looking at least $550 for the full exhaust kit with my suggested premium add-ons. You're still, I think, $200 cheaper than an MS, RSB, whatever the hell it is. Now the bad news is, my truck's not coming back till September, and it's gonna be beautiful, I hope. So this better be looking like a shiny baby, or else I'm gonna be pretty upset. In the meantime, I'm still acquiring parts. I got new wheels, I got new tires, ordering fabrics, this, that. Redoing the whole thing is gonna be a show truck, and I'm gonna take you every step of the way. If you guys have any questions, ideas for other videos, you just wanna yell at me, go ahead. Leave your messages in the comments. I respond to pretty much everything because I think I only have 22 subscribers. So hopefully that'll increase. I'm excited. COVID is leaving. Bigger, badder trucks.